In this video, I'm going to show you how to fade in and fade out videos within the CapCut app on your iPhone or Android phone. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. To get started, the first thing we need to do is open the CapCut app on our iPhone or Android phone. Then you can open up an existing project or create a new one. I'm just going to click on create a new one. Import a video to your project, and from there, we'll start with the fade in effect. Select the video you want to fade in, and then select the keyframe button to the right of the play button. As you can see, a keyframe has been added. From there, swipe right within the bottom menu until you see opacity and select it. Now to fade in, we need to start with the opacity at 0. From there, move to the right within your video to where you want the video to be fully faded in. Select the keyframe button again. Move the opacity up to 100% and select the checkbox. Now when I start the video and select play, you can see that it fades in. To fade out, it's the same process but reversed. Go to the end of the video, and just before you reach the end, select a keyframe, then select opacity and save the opacity at 100%. From there, go all the way to the end of the video where you want it to be faded out. Add another keyframe and then go back to opacity and move it down to 0. And hit the check mark. Now you can see the video fades out. Alright, so that's how you fade in and fade out video in CapCut on your iPhone or Android phone. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click on the videos to keep on watching.